I've got a lot of requests on how I make my hair curly, so I am going to show you guys the way I curl my hair. So I do heatless curls, and I start from up here, so I give it a more natural curl. So if you guys want to achieve these natural curls that I'm about to get, stay tuned and keep on watching. And what you will need is straws and some elastic rubber bands, and you can literally purchase them at the dollar store. That's where I purchased mine. So you either stay with it on overnight or for as long as you want, but usually it takes up to 6 to 7 hours for your hair to get curled. So if you guys want to achieve a curly hair look and you have straight hair like me, then keep on watching, and see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so what you will need is some elastic rubber bands like this and a spray bottle, which I got at Dollar Tree, and you will need some straws. These are like little bendy straws, and I got them also at Dollar Tree. So yeah guys, get these items at Dollar Tree. Literally spend like $3 for your hair. And girl, we're on a budget. So yeah. So, and you could also use like a comb or something, but just use my nails. So let's get started. Oh, by the way guys, I just noticed that my puppy Luna ripped this. So I'm sorry if you guys see her. She bites everything. So basically, I like to, thinking how I'm gonna have the curls. Okay, yeah, I'll just do it in the middle. Basically, it doesn't have to be straight either. Just try to get it as straight as you can. It doesn't have to be that straight. Okay, so here we go. So now what I have to do is, this is how I do it. So I'm gonna grab a piece, maybe like this big, and then what I like to do is spray it. At least like once or twice. Doesn't need that much water. Okay, so that's what I do. I pull it, I wrap, I go like this, and I wrap like that, all the way to the bottom. How I have short hair, it's a little bit harder, to be honest, because the bottom is so small. So this is as much as I can do. And you're gonna push it up like that. So then once you're done, grab a rubber band. You're gonna tie it. You can also use bobby pins, but I think I like the rubber bands better. Because I feel like sometimes when, I'm a crazy sleeper, sometimes I feel like the bobby pins slip out when I'm sleeping. And it sometimes looks really dumb. When I have my curls, because it'll be like curly and the bottom is just straight and it doesn't look nice. So this is how it looks. It's gonna look crazy, but that's basically what I'm gonna do to my whole head. How many straws do you guys think I'm gonna use? I think 12. You guys comment down below how many you guys think it's gonna take for me to curl all my hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do the rest of it, and it's basically the same steps. Okay, so this is how it looks. It looks crazy, but I'll do an update tomorrow morning when I wake up, and I'm gonna show you the results. So see you guys tomorrow. And I just woke up, so now I'm going to take them off. I just open them like that and slide it off. This is how it looks. So it looks like this. This car has two pieces. Just open it. Then slide it off. Now that's all done. You grab pieces, you just separate them. So, you separate the pieces so we have so this is how I do my curls, my Heatless curls. If you guys want to test this out, you guys could. You guys can test it out. And that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys like my little tutorial. If you guys want more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, so I can post more videos like this. And bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Peter